unboxing. The selfie camera is looking very good. I have a feeling this could become a favorite phone for the youngsters, and also a good good gift for your girlfriend. Affordable price, you can impress your girlfriend, or it's definitely a
Loud ones.
very, very beautiful phone. The camera is definitely the speciality, and the scroll chase, the touch is also looking very smooth. So battery is a major problem when we're extensively traveling and always on the phone. Itlanti phone lo when there is good battery, and also it gets charged super fast. That is another feature of this phone. So yeah, I'm here to launch this beautiful phone at Happy Mobiles.
Getting waited for you people. కొంచెం ట్రాఫిక్ వల్ల సమస్యగా రావడం కొంచెం డిలే అయింది. ఆల్వేస్ యువర్ సపోర్ట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ మేకింగ్ us to grow further and do better. And we are here at Happy Mobiles, where we have 85 stores spread across AP and Telangana. And thanks Samyukta for here launching stunning phone of Realme 12 series. Along with her, we have CMD Krishna Pawan. And I'll ask Mr. Pawan to have a few words.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. మీడియా మిత్రులకు, తర్వాత శ్రేయోభిలాషులందరికీ ఇట్స్ మై వార్మ్ వెల్కమ్. Every product has its own speciality, and Realme is known for its uniqueness in the product. So there is one beautiful thing of Realme ante most affordable product, most unique features, and extreme elegancy at an affordable cost ఇవ్వడమే. This is specialty of Realme. And brand Realme in the last 5 years lo it started with selling with 1,000 phones to almost 500,000 today. So that is the ability of acceptance of brand Realme. Alanti brand ki same features తో ఉన్న product, if you take any competition lo it's almost double the cost. So public ki and as well as the Indians customers ki there are 5 important things required for a phone. One is battery, camera and then elegancy as well as style. I think Realme 12 has given that all 5 master strokes in one single piece. This product has the best of camera in India. This product has the best of battery in India. This product has best of screen display in India. And the last but not least, the product is affordable. So, 50,000, 60,000 rupees worth of features ఉన్న కాంపిటీషనల్ బ్రాండ్స్లో నుంచి ఒక ఇండియన్ పబ్లిక్కి మోస్ట్ అఫోర్డబుల్, ఎస్పెషలీ యూత్ అండ్ స్టైలిష్ ఐకాన్ పీపుల్ అందరికీ ఒక సోనీ సెన్సార్డ్ కెమెరా ఫోన్ హ్యాండ్ ఓవర్ చేయాలని ఒక సదుద్దేశంతో అటే హై ఎండ్ స్పెక్తో అటే లో కాస్ట్కి తీసుకొచ్చి మన చేతికి తీసుకొచ్చి ఇచ్చారండి. ఐ థింక్ యూ షుడ్ బి థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు రియల్మీ ఫర్ ensuring such a product to the end customers.